Hey traders, this is Rich with breathingwiththemarkets.com. Today is March 14th, 2025. Yesterday I made a video on Take Profit Trader on some of the issues that I was having, and they were temporary. They did get back with me last night, generated the pro account, and today I was able to trade the account. That's all I want to do is trade, man. I'm a trader. I want to trade. Take that fucking market away from me, then I got a problem. I got a problem. So behind me, you can see some of the trades I took this morning on this account. I did make a statement yesterday. I said if you had a $150,000 account and you had to get the $4,500 buffer, you had to make 4,500. Actually, you had to make $4,501 to pull out $1. That's a payday, right? You can get paid on the first day. So today I traded a $50,000 account. It was a pro account, and oops, I did it again. So yeah, I had a little good time this morning, a little revenge, you know what I mean? Fucking revenge. Don't hold me back. Don't fucking hold me back. I get these accounts and I want to trade them. I mean, I did well with Take Profit Trader today. I also did well on Top Step. Other than that, let's go ahead and get into Take Profit Trader. It's hard to keep them separate. Here we go. We are on a Quan Tower. I do have some other accounts. They're still pending. They've passed $150,000 and another $50,000 account. And I'm going to go through the process of paying. I wanted to continue to trade, and I thought, you know what? I've never had a payout yet with Take Profit Trader. I want to go through and see how I like it. So I stopped, but I could have still killed this market on and on and on. But as you can see up here, how many trades did we take? Down here in the bottom left, where my cursor is, it's 483 trades today. 483 trades. And let me see if I can go ahead and pull up a win percentage and stuff like that. Stand by. Okay, here we are on Rhythmic. I found it. So here's the Rhythmic account for this account. Total profit today was $2,532 minus the commissions and fees, which is $202.50. Net profit was $2,330. Again, that net profit today was $2,330. So I am assuming, I've never taken a withdrawal with Take Profit Trader, so I'm assuming that I could put in for $330 today. And when I do, if I'm able to, then I will go ahead and post it if I have some time and walk you through that, because it's my first time also. So this is my testing phase of seeing how this stuff works, how convenient it is, and a skill will never leave my fucking soul. And I teach a skill, and a skill is earned and learned. No gambling. Anyways, the trade count today was 405. Now, you see, they had, I think, 485 on Quantar. And I give out these numbers, it's give and take. I'm just reporting what I see. Winning trades 335, 66 losing trades out of 405, 82.72% hit rate, win rate, 82% win rate today on a $50,000 account with a $2,000 drawdown, and I had to make over $2,000 in order to get a first payout. And I made $2,300 basically in my first day. So I'm getting dialed in. I'm not dialed in yet, but I'm going to be getting dialed in, and I might be a player at Take Profit Trader also. It depends. So let's go ahead and get back into that chart. Here we are back in Quan Tower. Up at the top, account ending in 6569. That was today. Account ending in 6569, $2,328. So this is $2,328, which is different from 2330. So we'll see. I don't know. Can I get a payout? According to Take Profit, yes, you can get a payout on day one. Remember yesterday I told you, I specifically said you have to make the buffer, whatever they want to call it. They say you can get paid in one day, but what's not real clear, it's on the website though, but what's not real clear when you say you get paid on your first day is adding that information right after that is that you have to go over the buffer, and the buffer on a $50,000 account, I believe, is 2,000. I hope it is. Hope it's not three. I don't know. I'd be really pissed off because I stopped trading already. But anyways, who knows where this video is going to go? But I think it's fucking $2,000. Let me check. Here we are. I did find the information on Take Profit Trader website. In the pro account, the profit split is 80-20. And if I would have known, I mean, if I would have paid attention or remembered that, I probably would have hit some more trades, but there's no need to get greedy. I just wanted to get this point today and figure out how the payouts work. And that's, I can read, but I'm not going to retain the shit that I really don't need. I don't care about all this stuff. I don't care about these fucking rules. You know, I've lost accounts um, because I've been switching back and forth from one prop firm to the next. And in the past, I've lost these accounts, you know, thinking that the rules were the same over here or not knowing which account I've been on and it's cost me money. But, you know, the bottom fucking line is those are accidents, right? Those are accidents. I can trade. I have no problem with that. I don't have to prove to anyone what I can do. Those that know how to trade don't need to prove shit, in my opinion. Those who fake it, keep taking it. And their time will end someday when they get caught faking it. And then, so let's see here. You can withdraw up to 80% once you reach the level of your maximum. So I had a $50,000 account. That's a buffer zone. So $50,000 buffer zone is 2,000. So in this case, you need to reach a balance of 52,000 in order to start withdrawing 80% of the total profit. We recommend that you keep 2,000 buffer until you close the account, which will then be paid to you. I don't know if you can close the account on one day. So can I take you know, the whole $2,300 and get 80% of that? I don't know. I have no idea. First time I've done this. So you know, that'd be a good gig, right? You think that you can take I mean, or this question, once you reach that 2,000 buffer and today is Friday, right? And you go ahead and get a payout, you go ahead and request a payout on Friday, Monday, say you had a bad day on Monday, say you lost $300 on Monday and you still have $1,700, but you did reach your 2,000, right? Before, can you withdraw the remaining balance? I don't know. Maybe it's somewhere, but that's just the shit that I don't keep in my head. I'm attracted to the chart, the movement of the candles, getting in and out of the market, running to the bank. So, you know, a lot of people know these rules and they want to retain that shit in their head. And they could tell you, there's some traders on YouTube that they can tell you everything about all of these prop firms. I don't need to do that. The only thing I need to do is trade that fucking chart. That's it. I don't care about the rules. I get bit by the rules all the time. I come back fucking swinging, you know, it pisses me off, and then I get a little revenge on the market. But the main thing is if you're starting out, play by the rules. Could I do better with that? Playing by the rules? Yeah, I could do better. I'm not fucking interested in that. So here we are. Trader may withdraw profits inside of the buffer zone. However, this action can only be performed once the account has been terminated. Okay, once the account has been terminated. Maybe everyone listening to this video understands what that means, but trader may withdraw profits inside the buffer zone. However, this action can only be performed once the account has been terminated. Terminated by who? Or, you see, to me, it's unclear on what I can actually do. How about trader may withdraw the entire amount of profits, including the buffer zone, after they have reached above the buffer of $2,000. The account will be terminated at that time, and the trader will be paid out. Once again, I look at these rules, I just look at the rules as, you know, there's so much leeway and stuff like that, you know, going back and forth and interpretation of the rules. Because the bottom line is that the prop firms have the edge. The traders do not have the edge, per se. You know, in this market, you know, we're fighting against the beast. We're fighting against the NAS, the YM. We're having to play by the rules with the prop firms and their system. They're lagging. The spreads. I talked about the spreads. I was worried about the spreads this morning on this account. I was in heavy. Obviously, you could see I was in heavy at times, really heavy at times, pushing this account and pushing it hard. And it's not a one trade fucking Sally on this fucking ship. It's getting in the market and getting out when you have some profit and trade on. Keep trading one trade after another. Or you may have a good trade and a nice pump. Boom. And have a great day. But once again, it could whipsaw you right out of the market if you don't know what the hell you're doing. So for the traders that, you don't want to gamble, once again, this one says down here 483 trades. 483 trades. That the other thing says 435 or so trades and 82% hit rate. Not bad, not bad for a day. And like I said, once again, I did well on Top Step trading today. Go to breathingwiththemarkets.com. Again, go to breathingwiththemarkets.com. I will teach you how to trade objectively in the market. As you can see, behind me, I follow the market like glue. When I say I follow the market like glue, this is what it looks like. I actually follow the market like glue. I trade the living shit out of the market. So give me some size and I'll make some serious damage. With the rules and stuff like that in place, it's very hard. Sometimes I will get bit because of my sizing. I'm going to get bit if I'm not in the right direction at the right time. I wish you well. Have a great weekend. Take care, traders. Peace.